Mark downtime as maintenance. In this video, we are going to show you how to eliminate unnecessary downtime and increase your monitor's availability. Let's say you've planned a maintenance on your servers between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m. on Friday, but you forgot to add the maintenance inside 24/7, which results in the monitor being recorded as experiencing downtime for 2 hours. When you generate an availability summary report, you'll find that the downtime, which was actually a planned maintenance, affects the availability percentage of the server. You can reverse this downtime by marking it as maintenance. Navigate to Server and select the corresponding server monitor. Click the Outages tab, hover over the hamburger icon on the respective downtime and select Mark as Maintenance. You can then go back to the report and choose to include or ignore the maintenance for the uptime calculation. This way, you can make sure that your SLAs are met. Hope you found this useful. We'll be back with more videos, so stay tuned.